Hello, Team Curious. Today's question is, what are the two biggest fears of China? Many countries have multiple issues like inappropriate healthcare, pollution, corruption, etc. But they always have fear of bigger problems like losing territory in war, economic crisis, terrorism, etc. Unlike other countries, China has its own fear. Let's see some of the biggest fear of China. First, failing in its ultimate plan. We all know China has been working on the Belt and Road Initiative for decades. To make this successful, they are investing heavily in many countries. It is also known as debt trap. Some countries like Sri Lanka have already lost their piece of land to China as they were unable to repay. This over-ambitious project has made them to take certain decisions which might destroy some countries. Like Zambia has already lost its state-owned electricity company ZESCO as a form of debt repayment. Few other African countries are giving their minerals and oil to China because of this debt trap diplomacy. China has already started making military bases in some countries like Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Djibouti. Although China has been continuously saying that this Belt and Road Initiative is just peaceful economical project, but their actions state something else. Now, after doing so much investment and working on this project for years, even a single man will try to achieve what was started. So, China definitely doesn't want to lose on this. By hook or crook, they will get it done, even if they have to destroy a country's sovereignty. Yes, definitely with the help of this initiative, China will gain more geopolitical influence, resulting in superpower nation. Second, lose the tag of manufacturing hub. There is a saying, in the beginning, God made the heaven and earth. The rest was made in China. China has been manufacturing almost every goods from electronics to toys and clothes at very cheap rate. This made them to export billions of dollars of worth of goods every year all over the world. They are also very good at copying others. Their policies also encourage in doing so. We know one of their policies which say that if an outsider company wants to set up their business in China, then they have to tie up with one of the local company and share its intellectual property with them. China is making all the efforts to kill the competition. They don't want any other country to take them over. Here is an example. We all know how desperate oil industry is to bring down Tesla. They play all the evil games to throw Tesla out of the market. But Tesla is already making its way to fight back. These days it looks like oil industry has adopted a new tactic to damage the market share of Tesla. We have recently heard about a new emerging company named Nikola as a competitor of Tesla. Many small and big investors are pouring money in Nikola, which resulted in surge of their stock. Here are some facts about Nikola. They have not done a single cell till now, and they don't even have a single full-scale manufacturing plant. They heavily rely on other manufacturers to make parts, unlike Tesla, which make most of the components in their own factory. Nikola's vehicle will run on hydrogen-powered fuel cell, which does not has a good record till date. Nikola has also filed a lawsuit against Tesla, saying that Tesla copied their design in semi-truck. So, all this information about Nikola versus Tesla seems to be a full-fledged setup of oil industry to at least do some damage at Tesla. However, Tesla is set to bring a revolution in automobile industry as it can easily make the black gold worthless. Similarly, China has been using various tactics like dumping products in other countries at very low price. This makes consumer to buy Chinese products and the local manufacturers of that country gets out of the business after few years. This makes that country to rely on China and continuously import Chinese manufactured products. Countries like India and USA have been already flooded with Chinese products, and that's a reason for trade war. Such tactics will keep China always in business and it will remain a manufacturing hub. So, what do you think? Which one is the biggest fear of China? Is it failing in its ultimate plan of Belt and Road Initiative or to lose the tag of manufacturing hub? Please comment below to let us know your thoughts and subscribe to be curious.